Hey, what's up, brothers? It's Fonte here. I hope everybody's safe and healthy. And before we start that, please subscribe to my channel if you haven't already for more content like this. Thank you so much. And now, let's go. So, brothers, this is Huawei Nova 9. I will show you. But if you still want this Nova 9 over this beautiful Honor 50, it's of course your choice. But this phone has only one leg. This Honor has two legs because supports Google Play, GMS. This has HMS pre-installed, but if you still want some Google apps on your device, this is your time. I will show you how to get it. So the first thing, brothers, all you have to do is go to my website, and the link is in the description of this video. So go to the description, tap on that link, and the link takes you to my website, to this site. On this site, scroll a bit down until you see GSpace 1.0.5 with Google Play icon hack. So download this file. Tap on it, it will open media file page, consent, and tap on this big blue button. Tap on download, and the file will be downloaded. But now open your app gallery and search for GSpace. As you can see, this is the file we need, so tap on it and install it. Okay, now tap on open, tap on start, and allow all necessary permissions. Tap on continue, and now we have to wait. I have to say, because this is EMUI 12 device, brothers, EMUI 12, Google Fear and other methods are not working. Yes, now tap on enable, go back. Now go back, search for Files application, open it, phone, download, browser, extract this file. This is the file you downloaded from my website, from fontech.cz. So hold the finger on it and extract this file. For that, right here, extract to, and leave it as it is. So now open this. GSpace. Now you have to install the shortcut maker right here. Tap on allow and install. Tap on open. Got it. Go back. Again, go back to your phone, browser, GSpace icon, and now tap on this GSpace shortcut. Tap on it. Choose other, and you can see here is the shortcut maker. Tap on it always, create shortcut, add, we are done, and this is the shortcut we need. Tap on it, we have to wait a couple of seconds. Now tap on sign in, brothers. Yes, 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 Play Protect is turned on. I will show you. By the way, I crashed on both electric device. So again, tap on sign in, and from here you're able to log in with your Gmail Google account. So I'm gonna sign in. 3, 2, 1, and we are here, brothers. I agree, of course. And boom shakalaka, we have Google Play on this Nova 9, and of course I can download YouTube. We need YouTube, of course. Brothers, this is GSpace method. The easiest way to get some Google applications and other applications you like, you want, and of course games. As you can see, YouTube is now downloading. It's a bit slow because I'm in basement, but it is downloading, and this is important. Of course, you can download Messenger, TikTok, etc. This is Huawei Nova 9 with EMUI 12. I will show you once more about phone. Huawei Nova 9, EMUI 12, right here, right here, right here. And of course, Nova 9 with 8 gigs of RAM and Snapdragon. but only with 4G. As you can see, the YouTube is done, so tap on open. And we have here the YouTube. And I can, of course, Fontech. That's my primary channel, and I will show you the other one, Shorts. Do consider subscribing to this channel as well, brothers. So this was how to get Google Play on your Huawei Nova 9 or Huawei Nova 9 Pro devices. Easiest way, G-Space with Google Play icon hack. So I do hope you ended up enjoyed the video. Don't forget to subscribe, like the video, share the video, and as always, brothers, stay safe, wear the mask, and drive safe. Stay Fontech, brothers.